Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of your favorite game, Kingshot. So let me just open it up right here, and as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, I can turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it up right here, so let's see if the gems start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to download this modded version of Kingshot for your device. So let's see if the gems go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, I got 710 right now. So let's see if it goes up. So hopefully it starts right. Oh my gosh, look guys, it works. So I'm going to show you how to download this Kingshot mod for your device so you can get unlimited gems. So let's get straight into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just type in this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Kingshot, and then just go ahead and press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification process you have to do. So this is 100% free from official app store, and then you'll get the Kingshot mod onto your device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So you can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So I'm just going to give it a second for this to load up. So let's just let it do its thing here, as you can see. So yes, super cool. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So anyway, guys, it's going to bring us to the last step, which is the verification. So this is just where we're going to download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just want to do 2 of them. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So it's a game. So I just press continue, and then it takes me to the App Store, and I just got to play this until I'm level 9. So that's pretty easy. I think the games are the best ones because you're just like playing it and you're kind of forgetting everything else. So that makes it super easy. So yeah, be sure to do a couple of these. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get Kingshot mod for your device. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you're going to be all set, guys. So as you can see, I'm just like playing through it right here. So yeah, it's super simple. So just try it out. Then go back to the list, and we're obviously going to get a second one. So we got like DraftKings, Moto Casino. There's also this video you can watch. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys, and then you should get Kingshot mod onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Kingshot, because this is super cool. Fully works, guys, 2026. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is legit, bro. People are coming at me asking me what to do. I'm telling them the truth. So yeah, this is super crazy. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and have fun.